Ciao, Steve Perillo for Perillo Tours in Italy. Perillo's Italy. You know, for 70 years, we've been hosting travelers just like you on our legendary tours to Italy, from the Alps to Sicily. So how about we take our own little tour to the most beautiful country in the world in virtual reality? No one can show you Italy like Perillo Tours, because since 1945, Perillo has hosted over 1 million North American visitors to Italy. Chances are you know someone who's enjoyed one of our trips. With Perillo, we greet you at the airport as you're whisked away to your first class or deluxe hotel right in the center of town. From day one, you become an exclusive member of the Perillo travel family. Even the locals will treat you as long-lost friends, because Italians grew up seeing Perillo coaches crisscrossing their own countryside. Every day and every night, Italy's vibrant history and culture will come alive. Memories that you, your friends, and family will share for a lifetime. A rich history waiting to be discovered. A new world waiting to be explored. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the best travel value around. Ask your travel agent for the Perillo adventure that's right for you. You can take a guided tour, or we'll customize the perfect itinerary that will turn the Italy of your dreams into reality. With Perillo Tours, you'll dine with friends at great local restaurants like this. So call us or your travel agent for your Italian adventure, Perillo style.